Hey guys, what's up? Doing a day in my life video. So yeah, we leaving for Vadagara. I and Preeta leaving for Vadagara. We are planning to go to Lokarnakawa temple, which is in Vadagara. I usually visit there. I really like visiting that temple. Actually, there was a change in plan. We woke up at 6:30, and I and my mom were supposed to go to the temple near our house. But then we had planned on wearing set sari, both of us. And morning made to drape sari and all that is a task. So I told Preeta, let's go to Lokarnakawa temple, and she was um, like tomorrow. We had planned it for tomorrow, but then we thought if we are not able to go tomorrow, so like if she it is not possible for her, so uh, we leaving now, and then a temple we'll go in the evening. So I have quite many things planned today. I have to go and visit my nephew, then temple to wear set sari and all today. So I thought I'll do a day in my life. So yeah, that's it. So I've got pretty much I've got ready. Just thoda eyebrows karna hai. So I'll do my eyebrows and let's leave for Lokarnakawa temple. Got ready and we are leaving. We like Miss Madam Preeta is on the bike, so we are leaving now and let's begin. Let's leave. This temple that I showed you all is Lokarnakawa temple, which is in Vadagara district. So usually temples they close at around 9 o'clock. We say Nada Adichupu, so around 9 o'clock, 9:30. But this temple it's open until 11 o'clock. So if you are a little late and all, you can come. Many people come from different districts and different cities to this temple. So it's you know how it started. Like we had come to Iringal once, Iringal Sargalge, which I'll take you all now. So we had come to Iringal, and that's when we had we were like places near us, and it showed this temple. So it was very like a bit far from Iringal. Still we searched, and we came here. And since then, I think it's 3 years now. 3 years now. Since then, it's become a ritual that every time we come to Kerala, like I come to Kerala, I have to visit the temple. So it's become a ritual now. It's one of my favorite temples. And as I showed you all, there's Devi's temple, then Shankar Bhagwan's temple, then Vishnu Bhagwan's temple. 3 temples are there in the entire temple vicinity. So हम लोग यहाँ बैठे रहे, मंदिर में बैठे रहे, and we were sitting, chit chatting and all. अच्छा लगता है, really like sitting inside the temple and all, not inside as in within the corridors of the temple. So we sat, we chit chatted. Now we are leaving. Now there's Iringal. This is in Vadagara, so Iringal is also here nearby. So I'll quickly, one of my favorite shopping places. I thought I'll blog, but ये कोरोना के चक्कर में मैं गई भी नहीं, और plus मेरे पास छुट्टियाँ भी इतनी थी नहीं. So yeah, we'll just go to Iringal quickly. We'll see if there's something to buy, and then I'll show you Iringal briefly. पहले तो कुछ खाएंगे पहले. Something since we are vegetarians now, I've become a vegetarian. So we are thinking of finding some place, and we'll have veg, and let's leave quickly. As usual, I thought I won't buy anything. I'll just buy one chair I was supposed to buy, but then I've only 2 shops. I went to only 2 or 3 shops. I already bought things. Each of the one I bought. The Iringal is a place like that. You get loads and loads of stuff. It's a craft village where they support the local artisans. So I'm showing you all in bits and pieces. Next time I come to Kerala, I'll do a vlog of this entire, like I'll show you the entire place. Now I'm in a bit of hurry because I have to go and visit Harish's nephew and his aunt also. His aunt is not well. So whenever we come to Kerala and all, we have to go and visit relatives. Like it's a ritual in Kerala. सबको मिल के आना पड़ता है. That's why I'm not vlogging that. But yeah. Coming back to Iringal. So Iringal is about supporting local artisans. So that's why the reason why we buy everything from here, because you know the money goes to all those villagers and all who make this. They make it here only. The material is from here and everything is from here. So whenever you come to Kerala, please do visit Iringal because it's about supporting our people and their art. So yeah, we have lots to explore. Let's rush. And one more thing to add to it, it's not just about supporting local people. You get the best stuff, best stuff. It's like amazing. You will not find these stuffs anywhere else. And the work is so precise and so nice. You will not find it anywhere. So it's a win-win situation for all. So guys, I just reached home. अभी just पहुंची मैं. Oh my god, it's so hot in Kerala. It's so hot and उसकी वजह से humidity की वजह से बाल भी खराब हो जाते हैं. Early morning I left and that time I had not combed. मैं सिर्फ नहा के गई थी. फिर मंदिर गई. Then we went. 1 minute. Yeah, so then we went to Iringal from there. Iringal में हमको सिर्फ एक ही सामान लेना था. We thought we'll buy only one thing. I literally spent 4,000 rupees there, and it's a thing that happens with me every time. Every time I come to Kerala, I have to go to Iringal, and if I go to Iringal, I have to spend about 2,000 only वहाँ पे. But you get very good stuff in Iringal, and Iringal इस बार मैं बैठी नहीं ज़्यादा. Usually I love to sit by that water. And I love to sit like that. It kind of feels very relaxing and very calming. But इस बार मैं बैठी तो नहीं because जल्दी जल्दी आना था. So we came rushing. And then we finally reached here. Now I'm thinking now I have to go and meet Harish's nephew. So he is like, I think 7 months old and I've not seen him I've not seen him once. This will be the first time I'll see. Imagine nephews को भी नहीं देखते. So I'll go and visit him and then I'll come back. I'm thinking if I come back by day, like if there's light, natural light, so I will shoot the whatever Iringal hall. I'll shoot the hall and then I'll go as in I'll come and I'll shoot. अदरवाइज आई हैव टू शूट टुमारो. नाउ मंदिर का भी प्लान था जाने का सेट साड़ी पहन के. हम लोगों ने सोचा था विल वेयर सेट साड़ी, विल ट्रीट सेट साड़ी एंड देन वी लीव. बट अभी पता नहीं, मम्मी भी आए नहीं है घर. इट्स सैटरडे सो आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट टाइम शी कम्स होम. सो शी इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट कम होम येट. एंड अभी मुझे वहाँ जाना है. थॉट बाई 3 आई फिनिश एवरीथिंग. एंड माई सिस्टर इज़ वेरी हंग्री. हम लोग कहीं रुकिए भी नहीं खाने के लिए बिकॉज वन तो वी आर वेजिटेरियंस. तो यहाँ केरला में वेज का बहुत कम ऑप्शंस होता है. एंड सेकेंड वी हैड सो मच ऑफ सामान. वी थॉट वी सीन अ वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट, वहाँ पे खाएंगे सोचा था. एंड तो वो आते वक्त वी हैड लॉट ऑफ सामान सो वी डिडंट वेट. सो शी इज़ लाइक शी इज़ हंग्री. शी सेड शी वांट्स टू ईट समथिंग. तो वो कुछ खा लेगी. आई हैव चीज़ केक लाइक ऐड फ्यू थिंग्स ना. हम लोगों ने बहुत ये किया था. वी बीन विजिटिंग कैफेज एंड वी ईटिंग आउटसाइड एवरी डे, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे. तो एवरी डे कुछ ना कुछ बचता था. सो आई गॉट दैट होम. तो आई एम थिंकिंग आई कंपाइल एवरी थिंग एंड आई ईट दैट एंड शी इज़ गोइंग टू हैव फूड. तो आई हैव केप्ट चाय. तो आई ड्रिंक दैट एंड देन वी लीव फॉर seeing the nephew. And this is my spot. Love chilling here. So guys, I quickly changed. मैं ना आपको आउटफिट थोड़ी देर में दिखाती हूँ because I don't have a mirror in this room. ऊपर वाले रूम में मैं 10 बार गई थी ऊपर, बट फ़ोन मेरा नीचे भूल गई. So I quickly changed. I'll show you all the outfit in some time. We are leaving and we'll meet my nephew. In like actually खादी उद्योग जाना था. खादी उद्योग है ना बंद हो जाता है at I think 4:30 and it's already 4:30. 4:30 4:35 और फिर हम लोगों ने सोचा कि खादी उद्योग से होते हुए जाना. We'll first see the baby and then बाद में ये करेंगे. So yeah, I'll take you all along. So guys, it's around 10:30 and I came home at around 8:30. उसके बाद I just made dinner. I made some medu vadas. So yeah, that's it for the vlog, a day in my life. I hope you all liked it. If you all did, please give this video a thumbs up and also like, share, subscribe to my channel.